Hello everyone, welcome to Easy Fun Math. Can you solve this? Observing the first two terms, we know that it is in the form a minus b into a plus b. So a minus b into a plus b is a square minus b square. So we can write square root of 2 square which is 2 is the a and square root of 2 plus root 3 is the b. So which is square root of 2 square minus square root of 2 plus root of 2 plus root 3 the whole square, and writing the rest two terms as it is. And now we have to solve the first term. So expanding it, we get square root of 4 minus 2 plus square root of 2 plus root 3 into the rest of the terms. Solving the first term, so we get 2 minus square root of 2 plus root 3. Now watch the first two terms. So it is again in the form of a minus b into a plus b. So a minus b into a plus b is a square minus b square. So it is square root of 2 square minus root of 2 plus root 3 the whole square. So that is equal to 4 minus 2 plus root 3 into root of 2 plus root 3. Now the first term becomes root of 2 minus root 3 and the second term is root of 2 plus root 3. So it is a minus b into a plus b. So that will be root of 2 square minus root 3 the whole square. So it is equal to square root of 4 minus 3. So the answer is 1.